Hi guys, welcome to Content Friday. My name is Claudia and in this video I'm going to show you how I edited a specific photo that I posted on Instagram a couple of months ago. When I posted this photo, a lot of you reached out to me asking me how I created this look. So here I am sharing with you the steps I took in Photoshop to create it. However, I want to let you know that this was inspired by a tutorial that I found here on YouTube, so I'm going to link the video down below. We are in Photoshop right now, and as you can see, we already have the background photo, which was previously edited in Lightroom and cropped to 4:5 so that we can have the correct dimensions for Instagram. And what I'm going to do now is to place the second image and scale it until I have the best proportions. What I find helpful is to reduce the opacity because I want to be able to see what happens in the background. So now that we place the image, I'm turning back the opacity and I'm taking the quick selection tool. And I'm going to zoom in to have a better control on what I'm doing. And then I'm going to select the area that I want to keep. You can also change the size of the brush depending on how small or large your object is. I made my brush smaller, but then I'm thinking that I need parts of the background to look natural and also part of the reflection, so I'm keeping this as well. And now, while the selection is still active, we're going to apply a layer mask. The next thing, we're going to use the history brush tool where we're going to work on the road area. I want to make it look as realistic as possible, so the point here is to blend the road with the water, but I also don't want to cover the road entirely with water, so I'm going to make sure that the hardness of the brush is low. And now we're going to take the eraser tool and brush the margins. This can take a bit of a time, especially if you want it to be as precise as possible. Now, because I want to make sure that the second layer is blending in with the background, I'm just editing the colors a bit. And this is how I edited this photo really fast. Let me know if you want to see more edits, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video.